In this video, I'm going to show you how to build dynamic countdown timers for Evergreen Campaigns. Here you can build personalized marketing for each of your prospects based on different triggers, such as the time they joined your list or a tag you assigned to them. Go to the Create Campaign page and select Evergreen Campaign. Next, name your campaign. This is only for your reference and will not be visible to the public or your prospect. Select the time zone you want the campaign to run on. Next, enter the URL of the sales page. Next, enter a redirect URL in case the prospect misses the deadline. For example, you could send them to an opt-in page, which notifies them if the offer becomes available again. Next, decide when you want the campaign to expire for your prospect. You can choose this time frame down to the minute. For example, if you wanted to restrict a prospect's access to a sales page 5 days after they joined your list, then type 5 in this box. Next, choose what you want to happen if the prospect is on the page and the timer hits 0. If you would like nothing to happen, simply choose Do Nothing. If you want the page to automatically redirect to an expiry page, then select this option. Click Next. Then, click Add Countdown Timer to your pages. You can now grab the code and add the timer to your pages. On this page, you can design and customize the timer to match your page. There is a complete video on how to use the design tools on this page, and there are absolutely no limitations to what you can design here. You can also use one of the Done For You templates. Click on Use Templates. Once the templates load, scroll down to see which one you prefer. You can customize the timer after you select it. Once you find a timer design you like, click on Use This. You can then see and modify the timer. I highly recommend you watch the tutorial on how to customize the countdown timer. Once you're happy with the design, click on Save and get the code. Copy this code. Go to your web page editor and paste it where you want the countdown timer to appear. Reload the page and your timer will appear. One very important thing. When you make the timer, be sure to set the campaign to test mode. The reason for this is, if the timer expires, the timer code will automatically redirect you to the campaign end page. When you finish testing, click this button and activate the timer. And the final step is passing leads to product launch timers. Since you have access to the API, there are several ways to do this. In this case, I'm going to show you how to use Zapier. Click on Integrations and find the autoresponder you are using to see the complete instructions. Make sure under your account you have selected the right autoresponder. In that page, you'll get full instructions on how to add the countdown timers to your emails as well. In this example, I'll show you how to connect to Aweber. First, go to your account and set your email provider to Aweber. Next, select the campaign you would like to promote by clicking the blue button. Then click on Add Timer to your emails. On the next page, choose the style of timer you'd like to add to your emails. Then click on the yellow button to grab the code for the countdown timer. Click on the Copy Image Code button. Press OK. Next, go to Aweber and choose the email you would like to edit. In this example, I'm going to pick HTML Editor. Click Source button and paste the code where you want it to appear in the email. Next, click on Source button one more time. After a few seconds, the countdown timer should appear. Next important thing is adding sales page links to your emails. For Evergreen Campaigns, if you want the prospects to see the sales page with the personalized countdown timer, you must use the link provided in the campaign page. Click on Sales Page Link for your emails. Copy the code. Go back to Aweber and link the text to the sales page. Log into Zapier and click Make a Zap. Then, in the search box, look for Aweber. Next, select the trigger you want and press Continue. In this example, I have already connected Zapier, so it skips that step. Once you fill in this form, press Save and Continue. In the next section, select the account, list, and status you want to connect. Then press Continue. Press Fetch. After a few seconds, you'll see the Test Successful message. Click the blue Continue button. The final step is to choose the Action app. This is where you tell Zapier to pass the new lead to product launch timers. Search for webhooks by Zapier, then select Post. Click Save and Continue. Complete this form and go to the product launch timers website. Choose the campaign you want to work with and click Connect your autoresponder. Copy destination and paste it in the URL field in the Zapier form. Next, fill the data fields. Copy Launch ID and paste it in as the first data row in Zapier. Press the plus sign to add the secret key. Name the field Secret Key. Paste in the data box and grab the value and paste it in the box beside it. Press the plus sign once more and copy Prospect Email. Paste it in the box, but this time press this icon and select Email from the drop-down menu. Next, copy user ID. And finally, add a field for source. Source is an optional form, and only for your reference. Scroll down and press Continue. Double check and make sure everything is correct. Then press Send Test to Webhooks by Zapier. Name your Zap and turn it on. To make sure it worked, go back to your campaign's main page and click Manage Prospects. Refresh the page and you should see the new contact added to the list. You can also test this manually by adding the contact to your list in Aweber. Zapier keeps track of all your Zaps. Just bear in mind, Zapier may take up to 15 minutes to pass the data to product launch timers.